allure of travelling to different countries while on the job has attracted many young women and men to join an airline as a flight attendant. However, according to former flight stewardess Yvonne Lee, who joined an Asian airline in the late 80s, the life of a stewardess is no longer the same. If anything, it seems more hectic and less glamorous a job than it used to be.
There are differences in terms of the profile of passengers we are encountering nowadays. Taking a plane, it's not like those days. Taking a plane, even the janitor at the shopping mall, migrant workers, those are our passengers on the airline, especially budget airline. So even though it's not as glamorous, some advertisements, they still portray the look of the stewardesses, so demure, ever patient, They're not only dealing with businessmen, they have to deal with even the lower income group of passengers. Some of them are not educated, they're from very, very poor countries. So it's not as glamorous anymore, but if you like the job because of the traveling aspect, you got to bear with it. And another aspect that makes a big difference is that airlines nowadays, they are running on strictly really profit-making kind of business. It wasn't like those days where you can stay in Honolulu, which I did for one whole week, in Auckland for one whole week, in Mexico, you get to really travel and see the world. Nowadays, there are a lot of turnaround in the sense that you go there, perhaps you only stay in a hotel, you don't have time to actually go for a proper meal or shopping, you're only eating in the hotel, and then after your 12 hours rest, back to the airport and back home. So where's the shopping? So it can be quite disillusioning, yeah? So people need to get into it with their eyes really wide open.
Yvonne was in town to promote her latest book, Madness Aboard, which follows the bestseller The Sky is Crazy, on her experiences as a flight stewardess. Yvonne recalls how in her time, being a flight stewardess meant much more.
I became a stewardess because at that point in time, it was the most glamorous thing to do besides being a model, and I don't have the height to be a model, like 5'7". And of course, the traveling aspect really attracted me. And in the 80s, they don't have budget airlines. So traveling is supposed to be something for the rich, or at least the upper middle class. You don't have affordable tickets like nowadays. Yeah. So traveling aspect and the shopping and good money.
As a former stewardess, what tips does Yvonne have for future stewards and stewardesses?
If you wanted to have a career in the airline, besides the so-called good looks, I think you need to have a characteristic where you have lots of patience, you can deal with all the kind of nonsense that you might, meet those passengers on board that might give you the kind of nonsense, for example, demanding passengers for meals that they insisted they had booked before flight, or for some reasons or another, it's not available. So how are you going to pacify them? And you need to have the patience for maybe children. You need to clean up after them sometimes. And what about dealing with your own relationship when you have to be away from home? I think for a lot of young girls or even young gentlemen, it's not very easy to be away from their loved ones, especially if they just started on a relationship. So you need to be mature enough to actually handle relationships in the early stages when you need to be away from home.
In the next clip, Yvonne tells us what she feels about relationships between the crew on the plane.